Hi viewers, welcome to Tech Info. Today learn about Hyperterminal is a communications terminal evolution program. Set up a connection for data transfer between two computers and as it troubleshooting purpose. How to download install Hyperterminal, step by step explain. Browser open. Search box lo hyper.js download enter key press. Official link first section lo display hyper.js. First link mouse left click. Hyper.js official redirectory page open. View other platforms. Second option select. Installation Hyperterminal latest version 3.4.1. Mac OS users అయితే ఫస్ట్ వన్, విండోస్ సెకండ్ వన్ అండ్ లినక్స్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్. ప్రజెంట్ విండోస్ సెటప్ సెకండ్ వన్లో 64 బిట్ మౌస్ లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్. డౌన్లోడ్ సెక్షన్లో హైపర్ ఐఫోన్ సెటప్ ఐఫోన్ లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ 3.4.1 .exe setup file downloading process start. File size 70.4 MB. Wait and here few minutes. After downloading process completed, next to installation setup process. Browser minimize. File Explorer document open. Left side third option downloads directory lo hyper setup exe display mouse right click. First one open click. Open file security warning window lo first one run click. Downloads folder minimize. Hyper setup choose install location window lo destination folder location display in middle section box. Local disk C users and system name admin apps section lo newly created folder display. In case change the another one drive or folder, right side browse button select. Third one this PC select your convenient drive. Unnecessary cancel. Default location display. Second button install click. After installation process completed, desktop shortcut icon display hyper. Completing the hyper setup. Present program nu launch or run. Default run hyper box lo tick mark set. Second button finish click. Hyper terminal window open. Next important step how to edit configuration file. Left side top section lo 3 dots menu icon mouse left click. Second one option edit select. Sub panel lo last one preferences select. Edit here in text specific commands or code. In this notepad file complete text